Arrive in style with the Chevrolet 2014 Camaro 1LT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are AM/FM stereo with navigation, preferred equipment group 1LT, 7 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, premium audio system, Chevrolet MyLink, radio data system, radio, AM/FM stereo with color touch, Sirius XM satellite radio and USB port audio system feature. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.